Alright guys, so this boss kit finally turned up after a big fuck around with the shipping and everything. Supposed to come from New South Wales, which ended up coming from New South Wales, but I found out it was some Chinese company that owns a warehouse in New South Wales, so pretty fucking shit. Anyway, finally got it. So we can take this heap of shit off finally and put that temporary steering wheel on, because you know it's still not a priority of mine. I just want to get that cunt off. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Hey guys, so a couple of hours after I shot that last video, I ended up burning my arm. Pretty fucking bad. This is like 10 days later, so it's healed really quickly, thankfully. Anyway, I ended up putting another hot dog on. I repainted my blast pipes. I had some high temp orange that I just sprayed as a base, 2 coats as a base, and then just put the black over the top to hopefully stop it from burning off this time. But yeah, I brought this one. I've just put it in. Not too worried about making it pretty. So hopefully that'll keep the coppers away, telling me the car was too loud. Yeah. And I've been doing these. These are just some stands for the drift car. So you know, you just jack it up, put the wheels in here, and then I can actually work under it at home because it's so fucking low. Here's the other 3. So there's the other 3. I haven't welded them. I've just tacked them all together. So they need to be welded out and painted, and then I can use them. Other than that, I'm not really doing too much. Just waiting on people to get back to work so I can get all my parts that I've ordered and start putting shit on.